Today we can learn about SQL alter table. Alter table command is used to modify the structure of a table. That is, if you want to change the structure of a table, you can do it with the alter table command. Basic operations on alter table commands are: add a new column into an existing table. Next, modify data type, size or constraints. Next, renaming a column. Last one, removing a column. Now we can check the syntax of add a new column into an existing table. Here the syntax: alter table, table name, then add keyword, then column name, data type, size. This command is used to add a new column into an existing table. Next is modifying an existing table. Here the syntax is alter table, table name, then modify keyword, existing column name, then new data type and size. Next is renaming a column. Syntax is alter table, table name, then change keyword, old column name, then new column name, then data type and size. So we can rename a column with the new name. Last one is removing a column. Here the syntax alter table, table name, drop keyword, then column name. This command is used to remove or drop a column permanently from the table. So these are all the things which can be performed by the alter table command. So let's perform all these tasks practically in the system. We have already created a table staff having this structure. Okay, if you want to change the structure of this table, you have to go for the alter table command. First we can write the alter table, then the existing table name. So here the table name is staff, and after that you have to choose what action you need to take. For example, here I want to add a new column in this particular table. So we have to use add keyword, add, and after that the column name. So I want to add a mobile number as the new column name. So here we can write the data type as int. When you execute this query, you can see the table is altered. Now we can check all the data from the table. So select start from staff. See, this new column will be added to the end only. But it doesn't matter. You can choose any order while displaying the table. Also you have to notice there will be no data or null value under this new column. Okay. Also it is possible to set a default value while adding a new column. Now we can add a new column, that is add city. City with the data type varchar and size as 10. Also we have to write a default keyword. Default, then suppose our city is Delhi. So we can write Delhi here. Delhi. We can execute this query. It will add a new column city with the default value as Delhi. See, the city column filled with Delhi. Next is modifying an existing column. Here we can change data type, size or constraints. Now we can write the query alter table, staff. Then we have to write the modify keyword. Now we are going to change the mobile number column from int data type to varchar data type. So varchar of 12. Here we change the int data type to varchar data type. Now the new data type for mobile number column is varchar of 12. Now we can check our name column. Having varchar data type, also we have entered some string values in it. Here we will not be able to convert that as a numeric value. That is, you cannot alter the character to a numeric value, but numeric to character is possible. Next we can check how to rename a column. Here we can change the column name exp to experience. So we have to write the query alter table staff. Then for renaming a column, we have to write the keyword change. then exp space experience space int data type. Now column name changed, we can check the table. So exp changed to experience. Okay. Next we can check how to remove a column. Now we can write the query as alter table staff then drop keyword. Drop. Now we are going to remove the column city. So we can write drop city then semicolon. So this column city removed from the table. Basically whenever you drop a particular column, all the data of that particular field is dropped and the memory is released. Now we can check the table again, that is select star from staff. So our column city removed from the staff table.